Korwa se kaunti ya Kiambu Karungu Thang'wa na boigo uri kaunti ya Nyandarua John Methu oyo we kaunti ya Murang'a John Nyutu igo bona subuamo bamochirie Eserekari enene kubwatikana no gutagurwa kw'abamenyi bensemo eria ya THIKA Githurai na boigo Ruiru abo batagurwa chinyomba chiabo bagokorera obonchoreria Abasenata abo nigo bono batebire abonchoreria mbaroro bakubwatirana na Eserekari kubaondereria abonchoreria abake nigo bono bagandire bose bagandire egakore ikyo kunyara ko bagi gukikirwa na boigo kwenekia buna Eserekari nkwenekiere ko bakana abarabu abantu abanyara ko bagotagurwa chinyomba icho chiabo chobonchoreria.
Small traders from Githurai, THIKA and Ruiru woke up to ashes. Shops were burnt, stalls were flattened, livelihoods that families had built over many years were destroyed in a single operation carried out under heavy police presence in the name of development under the authority of President Ruto's regime. Let me be very clear. Yes, we need roads, or Kenya needs roads. Yes, we need order. Yes, we need planned development. But development that destroys the poor without dignity, without proper notice, without compensation, and without resettlement is not development. It is oppression. In Ruiru, THIKA, and Githurai alone, over 5,000 small-scale traders lost their businesses overnight to arson in the name of eviction. This is not humane. This is not lawful. This is not just. This crisis is not accidental. It is a pattern, and it is being enabled by President Ruto's administration, colluding with highly connected businessmen and women to remove ordinary Kenyans and hustlers in order to allocate spaces to cartels.
And I think I support the Senator of Kiambu when he says that demolition should be humane if it must be done. But then we remain very suspicious that these demolitions are only happening in one particular area. I mean, Kenya has many highways and other areas are not affected. And if we want to assist these traders, then, I mean, we could have demolished maybe a part of it in a humane way, develop that part, then go to the next part. We must be humane in anything and everything that government does. Governments are elected to serve people, not to punish.
With the names of 2 members of parliament from Kiambu and 4 powerful business people who are actually working in cahoot with the Kenya National Highways Authority through the just appointed Director General, who was just appointed yesterday, Engineer Kimeli. We are surprised that he was appointed yesterday and the demolitions are actually happening now. But we shall be providing the names once we are able to collect as much evidence as we can of those business people who are actually pushing the poor from Githurai and parts of Ruiru so that they can actually erect, which is a very inhumane thing.